Are you gonna help Tita again today? Or you gonna help Tita again today? Our word of the day? Hmm? 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 Good morning, everyone. Magandang umaga. Looks like I'm gonna need to buy another tripod, but for now, my left hand is my tripod. Let's have another Tagalog word of the day, and ang ating word ay tabi. 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 Tabi could either mean side, like side of the road. Tabi ng kalsada, sa tabi ng kalsada, on the side of the road. May isang malaking puno sa tabi ng kalsada. There's a big tree on the side of the road. One more. Palagay, pakilagay, or palagay nga ito dyan sa tabi. Palagay nga ito dyan sa tabi. Yan ay ang ating nakaraang Tagalog affix, pa. Pakilagay nga ito dyan sa tabi, or palagay nga ito dyan sa tabi. Tabi could also mean beside the bed, sa tabi ng kama. Sit here beside me. Umupo ka dito sa tabi ko. Tabi could also mean side by side, or being next to each other, sitting side by side, eating side by side, or sleeping side by side, used with or without the affix magka. Tabi kaming kumain, or magkatabi kaming kumain. Magkatabi kaming nanood ng TV, or tabi kaming nanood ng TV. Last one na. Last one, if you want people ahead of you or in front of you to move on the side of the road, move aside, out of the way, or give you way. Tabi! 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 That means out of the way. Out of the way. Move aside. Tabi! Diba, Mudra? Tabi! Mama always say that when she's in a hurry. Tabi! Tabi! So, ayan lang para sa ating Tagalog WOTD. So, next time you guys are walking like there's no tomorrow, and may sumigaw ng tabi! 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 That means move aside, or out of the way, give way. Right, Mudra? You're so busy with your coffee there. Hoy. Pwede bang tumabi sa'yo si tita? Pwede bang tumabi sa'yo si tita? Sleepy boy? Tabi tayo ha. Tabi tayo ha. Tabi tayong manood ng TV ha. Say that's all, everyone. That's all, everyone. That's all for our Tagalog WOTD. Kiss them bye-bye. Oh boy. Bye-bye, everyone. Until next time.